Alright, it's another miserable day, but what better time than to see if the radio stay dry. And there's the gaps. As we can see, they're pretty tight. So hopefully it'll stay dry and not blow a fuse, or worse, ruin the radio. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in and hopefully we see the screen. Kind of hard to focus the camera here, but there's that green blurs the radio screen. I'll get out of the car and see if I can't get you guys a better picture. And there you are. Sorry, it's just raining so much and I was getting all wet. But you can see the radio. And it's still working. Hasn't shorted out yet. So we're gonna go to a short drive to get some chicken nuggets, and we'll be back and I'll show you guys the after footage when I get back from the drive in the rain. And there you have it. After a short drive in the rain, which was really coming down, the radio still works. See right there, 139. Hard to get the camera to focus when the rain drops. And there we go. So we're listening to FM 97, as you can see there. It's really zoomed in, so it's kind of hard to read. But everything is functional. So this is the end of this project. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have any ideas on how to improve this, or if you guys even like it or don't like it. You know, show the love, show the hate, whatever. We'll see what we do next time.